Shalom, shalom.
Shalom, shalom.
Yeah, this another episode of Getting Back to Your Roots. See right here, I done finished it. This the end result. Done finished the middle brackets. All the brackets done. It's the end result of it. Raised flower bed all the way around. I paid about $80 for the wood. The main brackets right here probably was like, I think 40 something plus shipping from a custom dealer, and all the inside brackets and stuff. All together, probably like $200. They selling these things online for $300 and $400 and $500. You know, you gotta get in the mode of DIY. You know, being self-sufficient, just trying to get working on growing and being self-sufficient in that area. You know, this just a starter jump. And you know, that's what you gotta do. Till next time.
Hey, watch yourself before you get
It's
hurt.
Zephaniah signing off. Shalom.